Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of grooming with a spotlight on the Beard Club beard trimmer for men. Let's get started. The Beard Club beard trimmer isn't just any ordinary trimmer. It's a grooming powerhouse designed to give you precise and flawless results every time. Here's what sets it apart. First up, let's talk about power. This trimmer boasts a high-power 7,000 RPM motor, giving you the cutting-edge performance you need for a professional-grade grooming experience. Whether you're sculpting your beard or tidying up your hairline, this trimmer delivers sharp, clean cuts with ease. Now, let's talk versatility. With 8 color-coded guides offering a whopping 45 unique trim lengths, you have unparalleled flexibility to achieve your desired look. From a close shave to a full beard, this trimmer has you covered. One of my favorite aspects of this trimmer is its powerful lithium-ion battery, providing over 3 hours of cordless operation on a single charge. Say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to hassle-free grooming sessions. Plus, with its built-in travel lock and portable design, it's the perfect companion for on-the-go grooming. Cleaning and maintenance are a breeze with the Beard Club beard trimmer. The blades repel dirt and oil, minimizing buildup and irritation. Simply wipe it down with a damp cloth or use the included brush for a deeper clean. It's that simple. And let's not forget about peace of mind. Backed by a 1-year limited warranty, you can trust in the quality and reliability of this trimmer. But don't just take my word for it. With over 3,600 ratings and an impressive 4.5-star average, customers are raving about its performance and durability. In conclusion, the Beard Club beard trimmer for men is a game-changer in the world of grooming. With its powerful motor, versatile trimming options, and convenient features, it's a must-have for any modern man's grooming arsenal. What are your thoughts on this trimmer? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews from Product Critique. Until next time, happy grooming!